Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix keeps vibrating in Moto G77. First of all, turn off notification alerts. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want. After selecting app, click on notification and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off notification alert from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on system updates. Scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device setting. Again click on reset device setting. All settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps vibrating in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.